Saturday, January 13th, 2024. Saint Hilary. Focus. Those who are well have no need of a physician, but those who are sick. I came not to call the righteous, but sinners. Counseling is offered free in many schools, but not many students avail of it. Most of them perhaps associate it with sickness rather than wellness. This is called denial, a defense mechanism that keeps us from accepting the truth and growing. As Christians, we know it is only the truth which will set us free. Jesus is the way and the truth, and if we follow Him and welcome Him, we will have life. As the tax collectors and sinners experienced in today's Gospel, Jesus went and met people where they were. He was unconventional and did not judge others by their profession or position or attire. Naturally, He was welcomed by those on the peripheries. People like the Pharisees and scribes, who clung to their status and power, chose to judge Jesus and stay away, and so lost out. But the sinners gained. God is always ready and willing to welcome us, His prodigal children, with open arms, especially through sacraments like reconciliation. Question is whether we will be cynical or partake of the feast. If we are full of ourselves, like the scribes and Pharisees, where is the place for Jesus? Fruit. Let me live life knowing that Jesus came not to call the righteous, but sinners like me. Am I ready to change and follow Him?